How do I remove NaN values from a NumPy array? How do I remove NaN values from a NumPy array?
To remove NaN values from a NumPy array X. Explanation. The inner function NumPy.isNaN returns a boolean/logical array which has the value true everywhere that X is not a number. Since we want the opposite, we use the logical not operator to get an array with trues everywhere that X is a valid number. Lastly, we use this logical array to index into the original array X, in order to retrieve just the non-NaN values.
Works both for lists and NumPy array since v not equal v only for NaN.
For me, the answer by Ajmets didn't work, however using pandas isNull did.
Try this. For more, read on list comprehensions.
Informatica